Clear on the left, bring it out now.
We have the next pallet ready.
Maintaining the cold chain is crucial for preserving the freshness of these mangoes. Utilizing a precise first-in, first-out system, the automated mechanism retrieves the mango crates, ensuring efficiency on the production line. The high-velocity air tunnel ensures efficient water removal, leaving the fruit completely dry. The rich orange mango pulp flows smoothly down the stainless steel chute, ready for the next processing stage in the collection hopper. As the juice flows through these gleaming pipes, the thermal processing begins, a critical step in our food safety protocol. This meticulous filtration ensures only the smoothest puree makes it through, trapping the unwanted fibers above the silver screen. The synchronized precision of these robotic arms ensures maximum efficiency, gently yet firmly guiding. The precision pump ensures the perfect pH balance is adjusted. This is chemical precision engineering at
Here we see the precise addition of sodium benzoate, a critical step in the shelf life extension process.
This is the buffer storage system, where the processed juice is held in these massive stainless steel tanks before it moves on to packaging. This macro shot highlights the volumetric accuracy as the golden liquid reaches the precise fill line. This high-capacity system allows for several 8-can groups to be handled at once, showcasing the power of scaled automation. Through advanced automation, the robotic arm meticulously scans each box, ensuring perfect print quality and alignment.
Welcome to the heart of our operations, where cutting-edge technology meets the finest tropical fruit.